That they're crazy when really they have a blocked solar plexus chakra, and you're soaking in way too much judgment and negativity from family members and friends who are unconscious. Something that you need to understand in this journey, and you're gonna have to go back to the same remembering, is that people that are not conscious are on a completely different frequency than you. They will not even be able to transmit half of the things that you're saying or even doing because they have not liberated that part of themselves. They are still operating from a place of ego, identity, their religion, their beliefs, their thoughts, their emotions, and they will not understand you. I feel like it's a phase everyone goes through in their journey when they try to plant seeds because they want to feel connected and they want other people to live the life that they live and feel that peace and love. Not everybody is meant to. Everybody that is unconscious gives you a purpose for liberating yourself. They give you a purpose for what you're doing. So not everybody needs to awaken. Not everyone needs to listen to what you're saying, do what you do, and even understand you. And you have to let go of needing to be understood, especially from those types of individuals in your environment who are still asleep. Anybody that has an awakening goes back to that inner childlike enlightenment state of creativity.
BeatStars.com.
You got your birthday soon. It's good. Only one sees through the red rose. Salty the sun's got me all in the night. It's like I can see you with my eyes closed. So in love with that feeling of me soft and sweet. Insecure as kisses, I chose the beach. And you chose the fishing in the mighty sea. So I cried me a river, and I love where I go when my brain get high. Baby, I don't know why. Do I always feel for love by my side? Every time I end up crying, love where I go when my brain get high. Baby, I don't know why. Do I always feel for love by my side? Every time I end up crying on this beach. Those sour patch kisses, they were sour and sweet. Oh, how I listen in the soft and sweet. Oh, I listen in love so sweet. You know, just feel it. You cry on your birthdays too. You cry on your birthdays too. Ooh, you cry on your birthday. It's cool to be alive.
BeatStars.
You cry on your birthdays too.
BeatStars.com.
It's getting really nothing. It's cool to be alive. It's cool to be alive. I'm addicted to
BeatStars.com.
the way some beautiful junkies, no one can stop me in love.
BeatStars.com.
It's good to find nothing. I'm a beautiful junkie too.
BeatStars.com.
We break hundreds of yeah, where my heart is so resigned. You can just leave me under the light and chase the paradise.
BeatStars.com.
It's cool to be alive, even if you're hiding desirable. Even the love ain't even sightable. You gotta play the game, highways the radio. 'Cause it's cool to be alive.
BeatStars.com.
Cool to be alive. It's cool to be alive. It's cool to be alive. It's cool to be alive.
BeatStars.com.
You might be the reason that I'm lonely still here. Don't cry under full moons like I did. Please tell me what I would feel. I know I don't expect the opposite time, but I know I only attract what I feel. And that's the most inner parts of me that I'm just scared to see. I want the cries and melodies to be heard, but I know it's not what it seems. I can't just keep hiding the pain under this beauty. I squeeze all of my problems in the Mary jeans. I put all of my problems and hang them next to Gucci tees. I hang all of my problems after soaking them with the Pradaline. Baby, I'm Cause on my sleeve. Chip on my shoulder, chips on my sleeve. Chips on my ankle, chips and Halloween. Chips everywhere, with cracks and cracking. You can paste all my love on a copy of mine. Because that's one thing you can't buy, so buy it with money. You can paste all my love on a copy of your dreams. Cause I'm not the last thing you see when you go to sleep. Dang. Oh, shoes. Oh, I wanna know you.
My own player got in my way, like, bro, move! Like, what's wrong with you?
He's trying to cheer you on.
Bro, no, it was in the way. I'm like, if anything, you need to go around.
He's trying to cheer you on.
Nah, man, bro. If you don't go on with all that, bro.
That boy said, you got this, you got
I picked the wrong thing, hold on. Woo!
Oh my gosh, I don't see it. You stupid. You have me scared.
You had me scared, bruh. You had 8 yards, bruh. Bro, the way this game, bro, the way this game is being played, the way this game is being played, I would have kicked it. I would have like, forget all that. I would have kicked the ball, bro. I need points on the board, bruh. You bold. You bold. Come on! Man, you don't understand what happened.
Stop, we killed him.
He deserved it.
That boy said that's full of.
He ain't deserve his life.
I tell you, I can't even get high right now. I'm not trying to have no distraction. For real. Like.
Say sweater.
What's he doing coffee?
Come on. You got it. Oh.
Like, dang, you really going somewhere.
Say swear. Say swear.
Like
Say
who?
swear. Say swear. Say swear. Nah, bruh. Can't be me.
It's me.
Can't be me.
It must be me.
Can't be me.
It's me.
Oh my god! Ooh!
Now where the belt, you know, now where the belts go. Certain states are very long shit. You see what I'm saying? Like certain states, like, you know, something like that. Do certain things. But not long things. Just enough to hold a weight. You see what I'm saying? So now make it seem like, you know, every time I
I'm not gonna say it's supposed to do it. This is gonna do it because like I ran.
Mo, monkey with the dribble.
Bro, I was gonna keep making it.
There's 48 seconds left to play in the first. Shot clock at 5. The Bucks need to get a shower upfield from deep Giannis. Boys through. He's now made 2 of 4. Really well done there. Just confident they composed. Never in a hurry.
You don't let it go.
The butt. I quit.
You were good?
I gotta go check my food.
Nah. I didn't even know he could dunk.
I just gonna see that one. Now when it was Julius, I was salty. But now that it's me, you gonna see it.
I didn't even know he could dunk.
Look at that.
Damn. Made that boy hit nothing but air.
This is crazy.
Foul on me. That's on me. I was standing square. And that's cold in mom, but like that was a razzle dazzle. That was a score.
Boy said little razzle. And here's the dazzle, baby.
Oh! He trying to get in.
Oh, that was that pass. You saw that? They slinging that ball. Nope. Ooh.
He caught up.
Oh!
And he got a foul. He got a foul.
Nah,
He
it was
got a
out
foul.
of bounds.
You went out of bounds. You stepped out.
I know. That's what I'm saying.
Oh yeah, I said foul, huh?
Yeah. Give me that. Oh my phone. Nah.
Oh! Hey, get that ball! Oh!
Pass that. You running slow. Somebody need to take you. Yeah, you is. 36
Lord have mercy.
seconds.
Ooh. Oh,
I could have stole it. Not gonna lie, I could have stole it for real.
That cross though. He fell out of bounds.
Oh.
Damn, man, who trying to catch up?
I did.
He's
Oh my God. Ooh.
oh,
I'm right here. I'm right there. You gotta come on.
oh, wait, hey, homeboy. I was about to say,
Oh,
homeboy.
because that's
out
so
of
I was gonna
bounds.
try to take that if you was gonna throw it.
Oh,
It's alright.
Don't fighting me.
what's up, man?
Oh, that's it.
Come on, bro. Nobody don't care.
How y'all get
Him.
the screen to be like that?
Settings.
I think it's better like that.
It is.
Oh, he stole the ball again.
Take it all the way. All the way. I'm just playing.
Voodoo master.
Oh, that's what's up.
They probably just don't let you steal the ball in street ball.
Nah, probably not. So I'm currently at work and I'm high as like, where does these go? Where's the pillow section? I'm just going, it goes right here. Yeah. Wait, okay, YouTube. So basically, I gotta make this. Wait, I gotta make this. Looks like this. Yeah. So what y'all think? Ate that up. Look at all this stuff I gotta clean up.